Hi everyone. I got another BTS unboxing for you today, so let's get into this. This is from AliExpress. Uh-oh. Missed one little part. Okay, here they are. Oh wow, they're like really stacked in there on top of one another. Whoa. Okay. Got some photo cards underneath. I think that's all of them. Okay, let me check the box. Nothing else in there. Okay, so I got my PCs here and my BandCon, the live. So I got a few of the members here. I didn't get all of them, but I'm hoping maybe I'll get them all. Okay, and then I got Jimin, the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, the final. J-Hope, Speak Yourself, Japan edition. And then I got Map of the Soul 1. I'm not sure if this is group or an individual member. And then of course I got Yoongi, Suga, Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, the final. So those are the three I got. Jimin, Suga, and J-Hope. I'm trying to figure out what I should do first. The little PCs and then go for these. I guess we'll go for the big ones first. Then we'll take a look at the small. So as you can see, the first one here is Jin. This unveiled Jin. Oh my God. Wow. He's so handsome. This is my first Jin premium photo. And I'm very, very pleased with it. Oh, he's so stunning. Wow. Okay, well, who's next? It's Yoongi. It's Suga. Wow. So very handsome. Next up, we have RM, our leader, Namjoon. Wow, he is so stunning. Wow, RM, you're so beautiful. Oh, it's my old bias. Should I save you for last? Because I have JK. So I'm gonna save J-Hope for last, okay? I'm gonna go for a gold Maknae first. Okay, so Jungkook. Let's take a look at our Maknae. Our golden Maknae, oh my God. Look at him. Whoa, so mesmerizing. Handsome. Wow. JK. All right. My old bias is up. All right. Time to take a look at my sunshine, J-Hope. I'm nervous. Oh, wow. Hobie, my sunshine, you're so gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. I really love the BandCon, the live premium photos. So Oh my goodness, yeah. These are going up on my wall with the rest of my premium photos. Oh, Hobie, I love you. You're so handsome. Okay, so we got Hobie here. We got JK. And RM. Wow. Okay, and let's move to the next premium photo I had again, just to recap the pictures. We got Yoongi. So I love these two together. They are soap when they are together. S for sugar and OPE for hope. So together they're hope. Soap. J-Hope and Yoongi. Alt bias, bias number 2. Bias wrecker. Bias wrecker. And ultimate bias wrecker. I need to get Jimin. So, and Tae. So, because right now I got Jin, J-Hope. Sorry, I had an interruption. So, anyways, I got Jin. That's 1. Hobie 2. Yoongi 3. JK 4. And RM 5. So 6, 7. Yeah, I just need Jimin and Tae from the live. Bang Bang Con, the live. So I need that. My gosh, these are beautiful. Now, I'm almost wondering if these are the real thing, because, you know, I bought these from AliExpress, you know, discounted. I couldn't find these on Weverse. They've already sold out, of course. They're no longer available. These look like the real deal. I mean, I don't have a real one to compare with from this set. So, wow. I can't, oh, this is just amazing. I need to move on. I mean, I'm taking up a lot of time just looking at these, but they're just incredible. I mean, I could look at this all day long. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'll set them to the side. I'm very happy with these going up on my wall ASAP. Okay, now for these. Let's bring the camera down a little. To J-Hope and Jimin. I'll start off with Jimin on that, but we'll take a look at this one pack here, because I don't remember what this is. Oh, wow, okay. Starting off with Yoongi. I'm sure it has a number or something on here, but I can't see it very well. So handsome. Tae, oh my gosh. I'm not going to show the back of each one. Jimin. They're all so handsome in this session. JK's upside down. We gotta fix that. Oh. Oh. Namjoon. Hobie. Oh. Jin. Oh my gosh. He's almost got a mullet going here. And then group picture. Nice, 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 nice. I really like that. Very nice. Okay, take a look at Jimin next. From Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, the final. Yeah, I was missing him from this set. So I have Jimin and Jin together in a unit. And the back of it looks like that. All right, let's look at these Jimin PCs. He's holding a goblet or chalice, I don't know, whatever you call those. It's gold. It looks gold anyway, or it could be silver. Wow, he's so handsome. Oh, I love his smile. Even his eyes smile. You know? So darn cute and handsome. I like that. Very confident. Love the heart. Ooh, wow, serious pose. Okay, well, that is my Jimin PCs. Put that in the back. So I'm glad to add him to my Love Yourself, the final set. Okay, getting down to the last two. So I'm going to be taking a look at Yoongi next, right here. This is the final as well, so I was missing him from this set. Oh, got him and Tae. Oh, this is too cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. These cards are beautiful. I want to say these are the real deal. They sure look like it. Wow. So cute. Oh. Sleepy time, Yoongi. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, he's so handsome. Okay, I'm happy to have Yoongi and Jimin in my collection now. All right, this is the last one, and I'm trying to get the rest of the boys for this set, and this is the not just the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself final. This one is the from the World Tour Love Yourself, Speak Yourself Japan edition. So hopefully you can make that out where it says Japan edition. So this is a different session, photo session, because I already got J-Hope from the regular Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, the final card set. But I don't have him from this one. I'm not sure how to open this one either. It opens differently. Does it slide out? Oh, okay. That's a unique design. It slides out. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get ready to be wrecked by J-Hope because he is my old bias anyway. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that adorable face. Wow. That's what the back of that one looks like. And there's a unit picture of RM, Tae, and J-Hope. They look good. Set them down right here. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Wow. He's breathtaking. So cute. So adorable. Love his finger hearts. Oh, oh. I'd love to have a big poster of this one. Oh my gosh, he's so handsome. Oh, the heart. Oh, wow. Oh. J-Hope, your stare is intense. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love these. Wow, J-Hope, you killed me with your good looks. You're a beautiful killer, J-Hope. You're killing me. You know, he's not an assassin. Believe me, he isn't. But man, he's just beautiful. Oh my gosh, he's so handsome. So, all right, that is my unboxing today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I sure did. I definitely love all of my goodies, my cards, my premium photos right here that I got. I just need 2 other members from this BanBanCon the Live, and it'll be complete. My other premium photos aren't complete. I have this set of just J-Hope and Yoongi, which I unboxed recently from the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself Japan edition. So then I got 2 premium PCs from that. Not PCs, photos like this. So I need to get the whole set. I eventually plan to, and then there's another set of premium one. Maybe a couple other ones I need to get, and I might get the whole set and I may not. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to stop my rambling. I really enjoyed this unboxing a little too much. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Leave comments below if you liked it. Give it a like. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one.